Building a chip used to take an army. Hundreds of engineers, hundreds of millions of dollars, multi-year timelines. And even then, only a handful of companies in the world could actually pull it off. NVIDIA, Broadcom, Qualcomm. That equation is changing, and it's changing out of a research park in Chennai. Here's something most people don't know about the semiconductor industry. When a team sits down to design a chip, a huge chunk of their time isn't spent innovating. It's spent solving the same integration and tooling problems over and over again that every chip team before them also solved. Writing specs, sourcing IP blocks, building interconnects, configuring software stacks, getting the thing to actually boot on an FPGA so you can validate your design. That process, before any real innovation happens, can take 6 to 8 months, sometimes more. A 40-person team in Chennai decided that was unacceptable. Who is InCore? InCore Semiconductors was founded in 2018 by the team behind the Shakti processor, India's first open-source RISC-V processor, developed at IIT Madras. RISC-V, for those unfamiliar, is an open-source chip instruction set architecture. Think of it as the grammar rules that tell a processor how to behave. Unlike ARM, which licenses its architecture for significant fees, RISC-V is free and open. That makes it a game changer for anyone who wants to build custom silicon without locking into expensive proprietary ecosystems. InCore's bet was simple. RISC-V was going to become the backbone of next-generation chip design. And when that wave came, teams would need tools and IP to ride it fast. Backed by peak X5 partners, formerly Sequoia Capital India and operating out of IIT Madras Research Park in Chennai and a Bengaluru office, InCore set out to build exactly that. In June 2025, InCore announced something that turned heads across the global semiconductor community. Their SoC generator platform, a tool they had been building internally for years, had successfully validated a chip fabricated on TSMC's 40-nanometer process node. 6 heterogeneous RISC-V cores, a custom network on-chip, a fully deployed software stack, real-time operating system, booted and running. The remarkable part wasn't the chip. It was how fast it got there. From specification to FPGA validation, including RTL generation, IP integration, interconnect design, and software stack configuration, the platform does it in under 10 minutes. And unlike generative AI tools, which can be unpredictable, InCore's approach is deterministic, meaning the output is 100% repeatable every time you run it. No surprises when you go to silicon. As InCore's CTO, Neil Gala, put it, "We're not here to replace the EDA or IP ecosystem. We're here to accelerate it." Why this matters? This is not just a productivity story. It's a market access story. Custom chip design has historically been locked behind enormous capital requirements. A scrappy startup with a promising idea couldn't compete with the NVIDIAs of the world. Not because the idea was wrong, but because the path to silicon was too expensive and too slow. InCore changes that calculus. Small teams can now iterate faster, explore more architectural options, and de-risk their designs before committing to the cost of a full tape-out. And the timing couldn't be better. India is in the middle of a semiconductor moment. The government's design-linked incentive scheme has already sanctioned 23 chip design projects. TSMC fab partnerships, Keynes Semicon's OSAT plant in Sanand, Tata's $10.9 billion fabrication facility in Dholera, the infrastructure is being built. But infrastructure alone doesn't make a semiconductor nation. Design talent and design tools do. And that's exactly where InCore is playing. The next wave of Indian chip startups building for EVs, defense, IoT, edge AI will need platforms like InCore's to compete globally. Because the world isn't going to wait for India to catch up using traditional timelines. InCore isn't thinking small. The platform supports third-party IP, which means teams that already work with ARM or Synopsys tools can plug InCore's generator into their existing workflow. Licensing is flexible pay-as-you-go for startups, site subscriptions for larger teams. The company is already piloting with chip teams globally and has its sights firmly on the ARM migration wave. As RISC-V adoption accelerates across hyperscalers, automotive, mobile, even incumbents will need to rebuild their product portfolios quickly. InCore wants to be the enabler. Their next tape-out targets a 28-nanometer node. The ambition is clear. India has spent decades supplying the world with semiconductor design talent. Thousands of Indian engineers built the chips that power the devices you're using right now, just not under an Indian company's name. InCore is part of a generation of startups changing that. 40 engineers, a research park in Chennai, and a platform that just redrew the map of what's possible in custom chip design. India's semiconductor story is no longer just about where we work, it's about what we build.